Alrighties, in this video we're going to quickly go over some major Discord tips and hacks that you should know to smoothen your entire Discord user experience. If you're with us in the second part of the video when we went over Discover tier, I did mention that we skipped over this Browse Channel feature. This is actually a newer feature that Discord launched not too long ago, but essentially, because we have so many channels on the sidebar that may or may not be helpful to you, you can actually choose which channel to view or hide. So let's say you've already subscribed to the stock alerts and you don't care about day trade alerts. You can just go down here and hide the channels that you don't want to see. Now your sidebar is all organized. Alrighties, next for events, in order to get notified when the event starts, just make sure you click interested. That way when the event starts, we get a notification on Discord and you won't miss a second. Okay, now that we're talking about notifications, it is really important to check your notification settings, especially if you're new to Discord. I would immediately change your notification settings to only at mentions and not all messages, because that would be way too annoying. You can also go to each individual channel and specifically modify the notification settings of each channel, or you can mute a channel if you find it annoying or unhelpful. Again, for the sidebar, you can join or leave threads by right-clicking. So you can leave a thread and that channel's gone, boom. Let's see what else. For any commands, usually a slash should do it. Another quick tip is when you join a voice channel, if there's a lot of people that join a channel, you can actually choose to, well, there's only me that joined, but you can actually side click and choose hide names. That way, instead of a long list crowding up your sidebar, it's going to put all the profile pictures side by side. And for your audio and video settings, go to your settings down here. Go to voice and video. Definitely check your input device and output device, because sometimes the Discord app is not going to be in sync with your computer system. For notifications, especially when you're connecting and disconnecting from a voice or stream channel, you can actually turn off the notification sounds that Discord app makes whenever a user disconnects or does any action, because that could be annoying. I usually like to turn off a lot of these sounds, or you can leave them on, personal preference. But yeah, lastly, any other additional Discord tips or hacks you can find in the Discord navigation channel over here. Hopefully I covered nearly everything. Again, don't be a stranger. Never hesitate to ask for help on Discord. Feel free to DM me. Otherwise, thank you for watching this video. I hoped it was helpful. Be sure to join our Discord, check out our storefront, check out our reviews, and I'll see you in chat. Oh, and make sure to like and subscribe. This is Shanksta, over and out.